It's 2019 and almost everyone out over there knows Android development. So is it too late to get into Android development if you are a fresher? Or would you like to move into iOS development, or there's something really different to it? In this video, we're going to talk about how you can pursue your career if you want to move into Android mobile app development. Coming up. Alright, let's get into the video. So Android is the world's most popular mobile operating system that runs from phones to watches to cars and your TVs. You can customize your entire digital life with this Android. Since this Android has so much efficiency and almost everyone is using an Android smartphone, so is it popular with the developers. If you are watching this video, probably you are interested to learn about Android development. So are many guys who are interested to it. Since it is has good market reach, people are willing to learn Android development and make career. But do you have the right skills to call yourself as an Android developer in 2019? Or the apps that you're making really match up to the enterprise level? Let us suppose that you are a student and you're watching this video, or you are a developer who is willing to move into Android development. If I was in your place and I was willing to learn Android development, what I would have done is I would have gone to Google and searched for Android tutorial, and I would visit any of the top 3 to 4 links that Google would suggest me. I would go over there, spend almost like a month reading, going through all that website, make a very simple application, and then I would call myself, hey, I know Android development. But is it what the enterprise really want? The knowledge that you have as of now, is it sufficient to get you a good salary? Or even let us know that the salary of Android development, is it even good? So when I went to different websites and did a little research on what are the packages and salaries the Android developers are getting, to my no surprise, the Android developers really get good package. But in the real world, if you're a graduate passing from engineering or maybe from any other graduation course, you would counter say that no, we do not get that good jobs or that good salary. Why is it so? Why is it that companies are giving a good packages? They say we're gonna give 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs even to the freshers, but you're not getting a good job or good salary. The reason, the very basic reason behind is that what you're learning, okay, and the apps that you're making is very simple and is very basic. All in all, you would develop an application that would have a button or few some text fields. You click that button, the data will go to the database. You click another button, the value will come from the database. That is all I believe you're going to develop it. If not, I'm not talking about everyone, but in most of the cases, this is what students would do. Gone are the days when you could just develop those simple apps and get a good job. Look at the apps that you are developing and look at the apps that are available on the App Store. Do you think if you have the app that you have developed, you going through all those tutorials, and if you upload the application that you have developed on App Store, they're going to get good number of downloads? Or is it going to reach a good audience? The major problem is the final projects that we make in Android development. Don't just make a simple Android app that has some basic functionalities. Well, I will suggest you, if you want yourself to call as an Android developer and if you want to sustain from 2019 and onwards, start adding different technologies with your Android development. Say suppose you can develop an Android app that uses AR and VR functionalities. You could develop an application just similar to Pokemon Go. Well, not very similar, but kind of inspired. Look at Pokemon Go game. It's a game, okay, that you can download from App Store that uses AR and VR technology. Now, there's nothing new in the Android development, but what they have done is they have added a new technology that is AR and VR. In the same way, you can develop applications that are based on artificial intelligence. You could use some cognitive services from Microsoft, from Google. You can add in speech recognition, voice recognition, image processing to build some really high-end application. Or you could also build a mobile app that uses cloud computing. There are many possibilities, and you have to come up with your own idea and creativity. Of course, if you want to learn Android development, the first thing you would do is go to the Google and search for the tutorials. That's totally fine. But do not stop there. Or just after reading that, don't just go and start applying it. Make some projects and make such a project that relates to the technologies that's in demand. May it be AI, maybe machine learning, may it be robotic process automation, may it be cloud computing, may it be AR and VR. Start developing Android applications that use these technology. If you could do that, if you could do these with any of these two technologies, like if you've developed an Android app that uses any of these two or one technologies, I'm sure that you will have an edge from the other guys who are going to get into this field. So Android development is very good. It's a good way even in 2019, and I believe even when beyond, you're gonna get good salary package. No matter there are many guys working on Android development, but if you can incorporate some other technologies, you will surely make a good career from now on. So stay high, stay motivated. You can do. It's not that tough. Just do a little bit of research and bring up your creativity. I hope this video helped you out, and you're gonna go back now and think how you can pursue a little more better in the Android development. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.